we'll guide you through how to code with Claude. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Anthropic's website to access Claude. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard where you can start a new coding project. Click on the New Project button to begin. You'll be prompted to name your project, so choose something that reflects what you're working on. After naming your project, you'll enter the coding environment. Here, you'll see a text editor where you can write your code. Claude is designed to help you with various coding languages, so whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or another language, Claude has you covered. As you write your code, Claude's AI capabilities will assist by offering suggestions and catching errors in real time, making it easier for you to learn and improve. If you're ever stuck, you can use the Integrated Help feature by clicking on the Help tab at the top of the screen. This will provide you with documentation and tutorials specific to the language you're coding in. Once you've finished coding, you can run your code directly in the environment to see the output and make any necessary adjustments. This seamless workflow is what makes coding with Claude a great experience. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking the Save button in the top right corner to prevent losing any progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.